Hello students, welcome to this new lesson with teacher Hernan. Today we're going to talk about a grammar topic. So this is a book. I see those books over there. That is a couch. And these books are very interesting. So as you can see, today we're talking about that, these, those, and these. The name of the topic is demonstrative adjectives. These, that, those, and these. So we have that are those words that function as indicators of a spatial relationship, location, or positioning of the speaker with respect to a specific referent. In English, there are only 2 degrees of proximity or distance. So there will be only 4 demonstrative adjectives: these, that, these, and those. The only distinction between them is based on number. Entonces tenemos que los adjetivos demostrativos son esas palabras que nos sirven para indicar en dónde está algún objeto. En inglés tenemos 2 grados de proximidad o distancia, de manera que vamos a utilizar this, that, those o these. En español estos equivalen a eso, esa, estos y esas. We have singular and plural. Singular for this and that. Plural for these and those. So this book, that book, these books, those books. Tenemos singular y plural igual que en español. En singular utilizamos this and that. This book, that cup. En plural utilizamos these and those. Those books, these books. Entonces observen la diferencia entre el singular y el plural. This, these. Para plural lo que hacemos es alargar el sonido de la I. Entonces para singular, this. Para plural, these. So this implies the highest degree of proximity, both physical and emotional or relative, of a singular object. Some examples could be: John, this is my pencil. Excuse me, is this your wallet? Who owns this dog? Sorry, I won't pay this broken toy like new. This pen is red. Entonces, this se utiliza para singular cuando el objeto está cerca. Eso quiere decir cuando lo señalamos y está muy cerca o cuando lo tenemos en nuestras manos o en nuestro poder. Recuerden, this. Whereas this implies the same degree of proximity as this, but it applies to a plurality of reference without distinction of possible gender. Some examples could be: have you seen these books before? These lessons she knows by heart. How would you answer these questions? These shoes are old. Mientras que these se utiliza para referirnos al mismo grado de cercanía, pero cuando es más de un objeto. That implies the maximum degree of remoteness, whether physical, spatial, emotional, or relative, from a singular object. Some examples could be: that planet you discovered doesn't really exist. He never had that kind of luck. That tomato is still green. That water tastes delicious. También tenemos that, que se refiere cuando un objeto está lejos y cuando es singular. Ese libro que está encima de la mesa me pertenece. That book that is on the table belongs to me. Those implies the same degree of remoteness as that, but it applies to a plurality of reference without any possible gender distinction. Those things could be at your door right now. Have you seen those photographs before? Those girls really can dance. Those toys are dirty. Por último tenemos those, que implica el mismo grado de proximidad de that, o sea que está lejos, pero se refiere a más de un objeto. Esos pocillos que están en la mesa me pertenecen. Those cups on the table belong to me. Entonces recuerden, tenemos this book, these books, those books, that cup. This, these, those y that son adjetivos que determinan en qué lugar se encuentran las cosas. This and that para singular, this para cerca, that para lejos, those and these para plural, those para lejos, these para cerca. So remember, we have this table, that chair, this pencil, that cup, those toys in a box, that lamp, those shoes, and those scissors. Ok, espero que haya quedado claro el tema. This, that, those, and these. Si tienen todavía dudas alrededor de este, por favor dejen un comentario. Muchas gracias. Recuerden suscribirse y activar la campana. Hasta pronto.